Okay, today I will show you the single punch die. Okay, we are calling for single punch die. Okay, so this is a we are talking about first one. This is the biggest round one. Okay, I will show you the size. Okay, so you can see the size first. Is 25 mm. Okay, this is the 25 mm. You want to see the height. You can see the height. Okay, this is the height, maybe 1 mm. Okay, so first we are making for 3 sizes or 4 sizes as per your requirement. Okay, so you can see this. You can see we are making for 3 size or 4 size as per your requirement. Okay, so maybe many jewelers uh, they are using diamond tools and they are drawing, or maybe new design they are put it here 1 2 3 sizes. This is flower. Okay, this is a 1 2 3 4 5. This is a 5. Okay, if you want 6 or if you want 4, then we are also customize as per your requirement. This is also single punch. Okay, and this is look like a earring. Many people are using earring, or many people are using for flower, or they are using for different kind. Okay, this is, you can see this how this is work. Okay, this is also in border have designs. Okay, this is also single punch, and this is uh, you can see what you calling everywhere people using different name. You can see we are making many sizes. Okay, this is look like. Okay, and this is like a also design. We are making also new designs. This is also same. This type design we are making left right, this type and this type. Okay, they are making 4 size 5 sizes, many designs. Okay, you can see this. This is also flower. Many people using like this, or many people using like this, front and back both size. This is a big size. I will show you the size. Okay, this is this is a 20 mm. This is 20 sorry, this is a 15 mm. This is 15 mm. You will get in one die only, 1 2 3 size we are making. And this is a very different, you can see now. You can see the height. You can see this height. Look, I will show you the size. This is a 12 mm or 12 to 15 mm. This is a 14 mm. Okay, you can see the height. I will show you the inside. This is it. This is also we are making. Many people using, they are shouldering on chain. They are using like this. I will show you. They are using in chain. I will show you how they are using. They are put it like this. They are using like this. Like this. And this is also we are making ring, but this is not a flat. This is not flat, look like this. I will show you the back side. You can see this is also topa die. This is also single small, very small die. This is very small die, maybe 2 mm. It's two, maybe 1.5 something. This is very small. This is also 3 die size. This is also single punch. We are making left right. You can see two size, and this is also single punch. Okay, if you have any query or any requirement, or if you want anything, any question, you can contact me on my WhatsApp, Facebook, or Instagram. Simply search the name Lamba Dice. Okay, you can search the name Lamba Dice and contact me Instagram, Facebook, or my YouTube channel. Subscribe my YouTube channel and hit the button bell icon. You will get new update, new designs notification. This is my WhatsApp number. Okay, thank you for watching.